Yeah, so say you call me and you want me to look into business insurance for you. I'll be excited. First off, I know a business, how much people put into a business, right? How much it means to them, and so I get excited about it. I truly want to find out more about what you do. It's kind of a luxury I have as an insurance guy. Is you get to show me all these things that I don't know anything about half the time. You know, if you're a manufacturer or a contractor, you guys are the experts at that. So I want to see that side of you, and then I can pair that with product. You know, I can go to my insurance companies and I can explain that what I've seen. I can pitch that or paint a picture for them and do the sale to them for you. We can take the time to get to know you beyond just your business. We want to know, you know, and that's encouraged. I can drive around town and I can tell you all about so many businesses that I think when I was growing up in the area, I had no idea. I had no idea what these places did. You know, all the employees that they put to work, you know, what they're doing for their communities, the kind of revenue they're generating, and the way that helps our town. So, yeah, it's a privilege really to have the opportunity to be introduced to a new business owner or a business owner who's interested in insurance.